Water. A clear liquid essential for life, used for drinking and cooking. Drinking enough water every day keeps you healthy. Cocktail. A mixed alcoholic drink with various ingredients. He ordered a fruity cocktail at the bar. Coconut water. A natural drink from inside a coconut. Coconut water is great for hydration. Coffee. A caffeinated drink made from roasted coffee beans. He can't start his day without coffee. Energy drink. A beverage with caffeine and sugar to boost energy. He drank an energy drink before the game. Green juice. A healthy drink made from green vegetables and fruits. Green juice is popular among health-conscious people. Herbal tea. A tea made from herbs, flowers, or fruits without caffeine. Herbal tea helps me relax before bed. Hot chocolate. A warm drink made from milk and cocoa. Kids love drinking hot chocolate in winter. Iced tea. Cold tea often served with ice and lemon. I like to drink iced tea in the summer. Juice. A drink made by squeezing fruits or vegetables. Orange juice is my favorite breakfast drink. Lemonade. A refreshing drink made from lemon, water, and sugar. Fresh lemonade is perfect on a hot day. Milk. A white liquid produced by mammals, used as a drink or in cooking. Children should drink milk for strong bones. Milkshake. A cold, sweet drink made of milk, ice cream, and flavoring. The chocolate milkshake was delicious. Mineral water. Water containing minerals, often bottled. She prefers mineral water over tap water. Mocktail. A non-alcoholic version of a cocktail. She enjoys a strawberry mocktail at parties. Protein shake. A blended drink with protein powder, often for fitness. She had a protein shake after the gym. Smoothie. A thick drink made from blended fruits, vegetables, and sometimes yogurt. She made a strawberry smoothie after her workout. Soda. A carbonated soft drink, often sweetened and flavored. He cut down on soda to stay healthy. Sparkling water. Water with added carbonation for bubbles. He ordered sparkling water at the restaurant. Tea. A hot drink made by soaking tea leaves or herbs in boiling water. I drink green tea every morning.